Did Kim Kardashian really refuse to give money to the Australian bushfire appeal? Today on Trending Topics, I'm going to be chatting with Tomato about what really happened. I'm going to give you a list of words that come up in the conversation, so if you want to, you can go and look them up before you listen to the talk. So here's the words: furious, appeal, refused, entitled, publish, example, generous, fans. So Tomato, did you hear what happened with Kim Kardashian the other day? Apparently she got all these people furious because when the media asked her if she was going to give money to the Australian bushfire appeal, she refused to give them any information. People said that the Kardashians should be giving money and letting the world know about the money she gives, and kind of like an example to everybody else. But Kim said she's entitled to give her money when she wants to. She doesn't have to explain to the media who she's giving money to. So that's a big question. Should she give money and let the media publish a story how generous she is and all her fans will follow? Or should she be quiet and not tell her fans about how much money she gives? What do you think?
Wow, thank you for this question. It's quite interesting point because she is the well-known superstar.
Great enthusiastic opening from Tomato. But here's a little bit of feedback from me. Firstly, she says it's quite an interesting point because she is the well-known superstar. Okay, firstly, I would use topic instead of point, because point is just something you add to a big picture discussion. And here, we are introducing the whole topic of Kim Kardashian and the media. Okay, so use topic here instead of point. Okay, and secondly, she says she is the well-known superstar. When we use the, it's like there's only one. Okay, it could be the sun, the moon, the universe, but there's only one. Okay, so, or the teacher of this class. So this class only has one teacher. All right, so if there's only one, we use the. But there are many superstars, not just Kim Kardashian.
So, yeah, I understand her point of view that she just want to donate privately and she didn't want to publish on her social media. But the thing is like maybe because the world look at her to be the role model, so maybe she should to put on the social media that she also be part of this situation rather than like she just like ignore the bushfire in Australia.
Tomato says the world look at her to be the role model. Okay, a couple of things about this. Okay, firstly, she's not the role model, she's a role model. Okay, there is not only one, there are many role models in the world. But I want to focus in on this expression, the world look at her to be. It sounds a lot like an English expression which I think Tomato meant to use, which is the world looks to her, not looks at her, looks to her. If we say the world looks at her, it means we look with our eyes. Okay, if we say the world looks to her, it means we expect her, we need her to be a role model. Okay, and I think this is the meaning that Tomato meant to say. The other one, which is similar, could be the world sees her as a role model, but that meaning is a little bit different. So when you're using an English expression, you can change one or two words and it could have a completely different meaning. Okay, so I would write the whole expression down with all the words in it. Also, Tomato said maybe she should put on the social media. All right, again, this is a little bit different in meaning because of the small words. Put on the social media, it's like put on the radio or put on the TV. What she wanted to say was she should put it on social media. Okay, see the differences you can see there. She should put it on social media. Maybe she should put it on social media that she be part of this situation, she said. I wouldn't use be, I'd say she is taking part in this. You can say appeal, you can say outreach, you can say endeavour, but situation doesn't fit here. Situation is the mess that something is in, or where we are, okay? But if you say endeavour, appeal, outreach, it means somebody is doing something. So there's a little different meaning there. I love how Tomato is using all these different words. She's feeding them into her conversation. And slowly as she gets feedback, she'll gradually add it in. She'll be able to use it correctly every time in every sentence.
That is, I think, because she have different position.
But did she give money to the bushfire?
Actually, she did, but she just didn't say anything on her social media.
What's your opinion about celebrities? Do they have a duty to their fans to do things to let their fans know what they're doing and set an example for their fans? Or do they have a right to keep privacy over things like how much they give to appeals? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for joining us today, and please make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, comment, all those things. We'll see you next time.